Hey folks, I'm Walter, and what is a tender port? Well, it's a port where either there is no pier, so the ship can't dock, or for whatever reason, there's no room at the pier for the ship to dock. So it will drop anchor in the port, and then smaller boats that can take about 200 people or so will ferry the passengers from the ship to shore and then back again. Now there's three things you need to be aware of at a tender port. Number one, it takes longer to get from the ship to the shore to your activities. The boats hold about 200, maybe 250 people each, and it takes time for that boat to get to shore and come back. Now, most ships do seem to try to run 2 tenders in the morning to get people to the shore quickly, but just know that at a tender port, there could be a delay, maybe an hour or more before you get from the ship to shore. And number two, you need to know the time of the last tender departure from land. This is not the same as sail away. It's usually about an hour before sail away so that the tender has time to fill up, get you to the ship, and get you on board before sail away. If you miss that last tender, you may be staying at that port for a while. 3, if you have mobility issues, be aware you may have some issues trying to get on or off the tender, especially if the weather starts to come up and the boats start rocking a little bit more, so be aware of that. And you should also know that tender ports tend to be canceled more often because if the weather is rough in the morning or the waves are high in the morning, the captain will call off the stop because it's unsafe to do the tender operation to transfer passengers to shore. We had that happen in November on the NCL Escape. We did not stop at the private island because the waves were so high, you could see the tender boat just bobbing all around, so the captain called it off and we had another sea day.